Hey, this is Mike with J&M Reviews. Today I'm reviewing this book by Dale Earlhart Jr. called Buster's Trip to Victory Lane. So it's a very nice book. I got this for my son. This is how it looks in the back. So it's very nice. It's short. It's not a really long book, which is nice. And of course, for a younger audience, you definitely want to check out this book. So I like that it's very colorful. It has characters in it. And this is what it looks like inside. Let me get a little closer. So I like the designs of the story. My son really gets into it when he sees like the cars crashing. He's like, "Oh no, they crashed!" And all that. So it does have some text and like a little mini story here about the race and the characters. So again, very colorful, very nice. Each car looks different. Have like one little mini personality. So yeah, so I enjoy it. My son likes it. Hope your child, boy or girl, would like it. Of course, it's more like a boy, and it will more like this, but yeah, you never know. And definitely check it out. Check out the characters, and yeah, hope you enjoy the book.